Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 16th of July. This is our midweek recap. Goes out for free. Quite the day we've had here in the market. So yesterday we had that good PPI number. We gapped up and we sold all day long. We closed on the 8 day on the SPY. We had a very good PPI number this morning. Very cool. And we sold off as we had tons of conversation coming in about Trump was going to fire Powell. It was imminent. There was reports from all over, including from the White House officials itself. And you can see down and then right in here, Trump did a press conference and said, "No, I am not. I don't plan on firing Powell at this time." Okay, so deep breath, right? A bunch of senators came out against Powell being fired. CEOs of both Goldman and JP Morgan came out about it. So market recovered and shot back up, and here we are on the highs of the day. Why is this important? This is important because, this market, while it's telling us clearly it does not want the Fed Powell to be fired, it is strong and will fight everything off and come running back in uncertainty. You have a hammer reversal candle today. We could have broken down. We were very close to getting a breakdown in this market, and the market has screamed back and is now green on the day. A lot of strength in this market. So if you're out there trading it, you just have to look and say, oh, well, don't just be blindly trying to short it. Seasonality against us starting now? Yep, it doesn't seem to matter. This market's strong. Earnings are going on. The Qs, nice bounce back as well. IWM also bounced back up today. The SMHs today coming back nicely after SASML's earnings were not good. They basically said they could not forecast growth for 2026. Doesn't matter. Coming back, NVIDIA, nice hold here, still looks great, held the gap. AMD is currently highs of the day and above that, and it can run itself to 166 and finish filling that big gap it's in. So strength there in some of those names. Where was the real strength today? It was in some different places, other than the real names. Tesla today has had a beautiful move, traded that a bunch of times, fighting the 50-day. This is a big spot. The 50-day here has been a problem for it to get through, so we'll have to see how it's going to handle it. But it's into the 50-day here right now, and it needs to take that out. And if it can, it's got room to work itself up to 330 tomorrow over the next day. So we'll keep an eye on Tesla. RGTI, nice big move here, traded out in the open, should have just sat in it. Look at the size of that move breaking out there. Palantir, I didn't trade today, but new all-time highs. On that one, Hood, another one, new all-time highs. Coin, back and breaking above 405 here, strong. Circle, I traded twice, took a loss on once, but it is what it is. Big move on this one on stablecoin running back up. Ethereum flying today. Okay, so you saw that. SVET and Ethereum, like MSTR version for Ethereum, also very strong today. A lot of strength in these names. A lot going on. Uh, the banks themselves, we had reports this morning. Goldman Sachs, highs of the day, worked its way back green. Morgan Stanley, still weaker. Bank of America, also still weaker, but holding it okay. J&J had a decent report this morning, up nicely all the way up there to that 166 level. So, it really doesn't. Oh, let's talk Apple. Apple today tried to break out again and failed and came back in. It just seems to be doing that lately. Microsoft took the day as a reset day, but still holding well. Meta weak here under the 21-day, some problems starting to develop there. Google holding strong. Amazon, despite being taken off the Bank of America US 1 list, also only to the 8 day and holding there. Bottom line is this market's strong. You keep your eyes for opportunities. The names are paying. There's still a ton of money on the sideline that's looking for a home. And, it's going to buy these shallow dips until it doesn't work. Catch you guys live tomorrow in the morning. Let's have a great evening.